Welcome back to San Antonio Property Tours with your host, Aaron Perez. Today, we're going to be touring into the nice subdivision called Merdian. The Merdian is located just 20 minutes from the San Antonio Tower, so it doesn't take long to get to downtown, just showing you guys a distance. This community comes with a lovely outdoor area, swimming pool, playground for the kids, so you can have those family barbecues without having to leave your home. So let's take a drive to where we're going to show you guys the model called the Jordan. This particular property is going to be starting in the $390,000 range. It's going to be a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, 2-story, sitting at 22 square feet. What a home. As you can see, all the homes in the area are completely beautiful. The streets are paved sidewalks, nice wide streets. Definitely wanted to show you guys what the neighbors look like and the neighborhood looks like. As you can see, the exterior has brick siding, 2-car garage. Now follow us as we take a step inside the Jordan. As we walk into the home, the very first room to the right that you will see is a private study, perfect for a home office or even just a nice little quiet library spot. It features gray carpet and a window viewing the front yard. These are going to be your double pane windows. And of course, leading into the room and out of the room is your French doors. What you can see that stands out is the wood floor. The brown wood floor transitions perfect with the wall paint. As you can see, we have an indoor laundry area, shelving at the top. Perfect for storage. You have your half bath for your guests when they come over for entertaining. Right behind that, you have a little nook closet or a coat hanger closet for those winter days when it's cold and you need to put your jacket up. Then across from that, here is your 2-car garage. Perfect for hanging out. Some people use it to not even put their cars in. They'll use it to just kind of hang out, have some drinks, have some barbecue. We're gonna go ahead and make our way to the kitchen. So this gourmet kitchen with stainless steel built-in appliances, upgraded 42-inch cabinets, quartz countertops, and a central island with pendant lighting. It's the perfect spot for all your cooking and family needs. Here's your little hangout living space area. As you can see, it has 3 big windows facing the back for a lot of natural lighting. Really gives it that open feel and that open concept. With the dining room right in the back of the living space, makes a great connection for watching TV and just everybody kind of being in the same room together. Currently, this property does not have the appliances in it, but be assured that at closing, they will be beautiful stainless steel appliances. As we make our way to the primary bedroom, the current bed sitting here is a king-size bed, so definitely a lot of room for added nightstands. You could almost fit a desk in this room as well if you wanted to put a little spot for your little desk in that area. As we walk into the master bath, you'll see an oversized mud shower, garden tub, double vanities, and a generous walk-in closet. And of course, a lot of people actually like when the toilet is separate away from the entire bathroom, so you have your own little privacy back there, if you will. Here's a view again. You got a nice little closet for towels or anything that you will. Here's a nice perfect view of that shower again. There you see it. As you can see, the master does have carpet. All the bedrooms in this home do have carpet. The living spaces in the baths have the wood planks. So all the wet areas will have wood planks. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our way upstairs, where as you can see, the staircase has that open railing. So it really allows for the entire space to just feel a lot more opened. So as we can see, the upstairs actually has carpet throughout, which leads you into your beautiful big game room or secondary living space. It has 2 windows to overlook the front yard or the street. So a lot of windows to bring in that natural daylight. To your left, we're gonna go ahead and have bedroom 1 here with its own little closet. As you can see, the room's carpet. Both rooms have a jack and Jill, so there's another room on the other side. And so both of these rooms will share that full bath, which is also a double vanity bath and a full tub. As you can see, there's your double vanity right there. In the wet areas, again, wood plank. As we come out of that room and turn the corner, we'll notice another full bath. This full bath is upstairs for the game room. It's a single vanity, but it's super wide, and it does also have a full bathtub in there as well. So you have 2 full bathtubs upstairs. You have the 1 full bathroom in the primary downstairs, and then you have the half bath downstairs as well. So there you go, there's the full tub. Just wanted to show you guys from the different angle walking in from that one room, the Jack and Jill room. Now we're walking into one of the last rooms, closed rooms I would say. That could be a bedroom because it is closed up and it does have its own closet. So here you go, I'm gonna open the door so you can see. As we make our way outside of that room, we're gonna walk into what could be a secondary room. It's open, so it does not have a door. So this could be just like another lounge space. Maybe you use it for a piano or a study room or something like that. It doesn't have a door on the outside to close, but you can definitely have extra space there just for extra space to hang out or get away. That's pretty much upstairs, guys. Let's take you outside. So outside, as you can see, you're gonna have sod all the way in the front and all the way in the back, 2 trees, privacy fence, and you do have a nice little porch area to where you can put your barbecue pit, make sure it doesn't get rusted. So it's a nice little area to still hang out and have some fun. Perfect yard if you have pets or dogs. A lot of room for them to run around, definitely. Thanks for taking the tour. If you have any questions, inbox me or call me 210-508-1594, your San Antonio realtor.